What's the meaning of bed and board? Bed and board. Bed and board.
Bed and board. Bed and board. Bed and board is a phrase that means lodging and meals. It refers to the basic necessities provided to somebody who is living away from home, usually in exchange for payment. Historically, bed and board was an important concept in many institutions such as schools, hospitals and monasteries, where it was necessary to provide basic accommodation and nutrition to resident students or monks. In more recent times, the phrase has been used in legal contexts to describe the rights and obligations of spouses during a divorce or separation, as bed and board may be awarded to one spouse as part of a court order. Overall, bed and board is a simple yet essential description of the fundamental needs of human beings when they are away from their homes.